Hello and welcome to another insightful video. Today we delve into an exciting topic, Gemini versus GPT-4, the battle of the latest AIs. Artificial intelligence has been shaping our world in unimaginable ways. It's like the new electricity, powering everything from your smartphone to your car. And in the forefront of this AI revolution are two new contenders from Google, Gemini and GPT-4. Now, these aren't just any AI systems, they're the latest and possibly the greatest, capturing the attention of tech enthusiasts and AI researchers alike. Gemini, with its unique architecture and learning capabilities, and GPT-4, an iteration that's promising more contextual understanding and precise text generation than ever before. It's truly a clash of titans, an AI showdown that's causing ripples across the tech world. So, buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of these AI powerhouses. First, let's explore Gemini, the latest creation from the tech giant Google. Gemini is more than just another AI. It's a groundbreaking leap in artificial intelligence, boasting unique features that set it apart from the rest. One of the most intriguing aspects of Gemini is its architecture. It's designed with a neural network that mimics the human brain, allowing it to learn and adapt just like we do. This means it can develop a deeper understanding of contexts, making it exceptional at interacting with its environment in a more human-like manner. Now let's delve into its learning capabilities. What sets Gemini apart is its ability to learn from minimal data, a significant shift from the typically data-hungry AI models. This makes it not just efficient, but also capable of evolving over time, learning from its interactions and experiences. But what does this mean in practical terms? Imagine a virtual assistant that understands your preferences so well it can suggest a movie you'd love or a restaurant that fits your dietary needs. Or think of a research tool that learns your study habits and tailors information to suit your learning style. That's the potential of Gemini. Another distinct feature is Gemini's ability to understand and generate human languages. It's not just about understanding words, but also the subtleties and nuances that give language its meaning. This could revolutionize how we interact with technology, making it more intuitive and responsive than ever before. Gemini's potential applications are vast, from healthcare, where it could assist doctors in diagnosis and treatment plans, to education, where it could provide personalized learning experiences. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, Gemini is an AI like no other, designed to learn, adapt, and evolve. It's not just a tool, but a potential companion, a helper, and a guide. It's an AI designed to understand us, to work with us, and to grow with us. Gemini indeed promises to be a game changer, but how does it stack up against GPT-4? Now, onto GPT-4, the latest iteration of the GPT series. GPT-4, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4, is the new kid on the block, and it's making quite a splash. As the successor to the highly acclaimed GPT-3, this new version has some big shoes to fill. But as they say, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. GPT-4 has seen significant improvements over its predecessor, particularly in its understanding of context and text generation. In simple terms, it's gotten better at understanding what we're saying and generating responses that make sense. It's like having a conversation with a well-read friend who always seems to know just the right thing to say. But it's not just about making conversation. GPT-4's enhanced capabilities have opened up a world of practical applications. For instance, imagine a virtual assistant that not only schedules your appointments but also offers insightful suggestions for your next business proposal. Or picture an AI-driven content generator that can produce engaging articles, stories, or scripts in a snap, just like this one. In the world of research, GPT-4 can be a game changer. It can sift through vast amounts of information, summarize complex studies, and even propose new research directions. It's like having a team of researchers at your fingertips. In the creative realm, GPT-4 can generate original pieces of music, art, and even poetry. It's like having an artist, a musician, and a poet, all rolled into one, ready to create at a moment's notice. And let's not forget about its potential in education. With GPT-4, personalized learning becomes a reality. It can tailor educational content to suit each learner's needs, making learning more engaging and effective. GPT-4 is more than just an upgrade. It's a leap forward in the realm of AI. It's a testament to the power of machine learning and a glimpse into a future where AI is an integral part of our daily lives. GPT-4, with its improved capabilities, certainly presents a formidable challenge to Gemini. Now that we've explored both AIs, it's time for a head-to-head comparison. When it comes to processing capabilities, Gemini and GPT-4 are both powerhouses. They're like two grandmasters of chess, each with their unique strategies. Gemini, with its unique architecture, is designed to learn and adapt at an impressive pace, while GPT-4, the latest iteration in the GPT series, has been fine-tuned for a more precise understanding of context and text generation. Let's delve into their text generation quality. Gemini, like a talented novelist, weaves together complex sentences with an uncanny understanding of narrative flow. On the other hand, GPT-4 works like a seasoned journalist, delivering concise, contextually accurate text that gets straight to the point. But what about creativity? Well, Gemini is like a jazz musician, improvising and creating unique responses based on what it has learned. GPT-4, conversely, is akin to a classical pianist, sticking to the sheet music of its pre-existing knowledge, but executing it with flawless precision. Now let's consider their ability to understand and respond to queries. Imagine you're asking about the weather. Gemini might tell you it's sunny and suggest you wear a hat, showcasing its ability to provide additional context. GPT-4, however, would give a straightforward answer, focusing on delivering accurate information without deviation. But there's no clear-cut winner here. It's like comparing a sprinter with a marathon runner. If you need a quick, precise answer, GPT-4 might be your go-to. But if you're looking for a more thoughtful, context-rich response, Gemini could be your choice. In a hypothetical scenario, let's say you're writing a novel. Gemini, with its creative flair, might help you brainstorm plot twists and character development. But if you're drafting a technical report, GPT-4's precision and factual accuracy could come in handy. As we can see, each AI has its strengths, but how do they fare in real-world applications? Let's now delve into how Gemini and GPT-4 could be used in our daily lives. Both of these AI models have a wide array of practical applications that can revolutionize how we interact with technology. One of the most apparent applications is virtual assistants. Imagine having a personal assistant that understands you better than you do yourself. Gemini, with its unique architecture and learning capabilities, could provide personalized assistance, making your daily tasks easier. It could manage your calendar, answer your emails, and even help with complex tasks like budgeting. Now let's consider GPT-4. Its improved comprehension of context and precision in text generation make it a great tool for various industries. In journalism, for instance, it could write articles or reports, saving time and resources. In education, it could provide personalized tutoring, adapting to each student's learning style and pace. But it doesn't stop there. These AI models could also extend their reach to the realms of artistic creativity, music composition, script writing, even painting. The possibilities are endless. Gemini, with its ability to learn and adapt, could produce unique art pieces, while GPT-4, with its text generation, could write captivating stories or scripts. In the field of research, both Gemini and GPT-4 could analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and provide insights that would take humans years to discover. This could accelerate discoveries in fields like medicine, climate science, and astronomy. More so, these AI models could impact various industries in ways we can't even imagine yet. They could automate mundane tasks, increase efficiency, and even create new jobs centered around AI technology. The potential applications are vast, but as with any technology, there are challenges and limitations. While the possibilities are exciting, it's important to consider the ethical and security challenges these AIs present. Like any powerful tool, Gemini and GPT-4 need to be wielded with care. There are ethical questions around privacy, informed consent, and accountability. For instance, how do we ensure these AIs are used responsibly and not for nefarious purposes? Then there's the issue of security. As these AIs become more sophisticated, so too do the potential threats. Cybersecurity measures need to keep pace to protect against misuse. Furthermore, these AIs are not without their limitations. Both Gemini and GPT-4, while immensely powerful, still struggle with understanding nuance and context in the same way a human can. There's also the challenge of bias in AI, which is a reflection of the data used to train them. Despite these challenges, the future of AI looks promising thanks to Gemini and GPT-4. As we come to the end of our exploration, let's recap the key features of Gemini and GPT-4. Gemini, Google's latest brainchild, shines with its unique architecture, learning capabilities, and anticipated applications. On the other hand, GPT-4, the newest iteration in the GPT series, stands out with its improved contextual understanding and precision in text generation. These two artificial intelligence powerhouses, each with their own distinct characteristics, promise to revolutionize various sectors, from virtual assistants to artistic creativity and research. But it's not all smooth sailing. The road to AI advancement is strewn with ethical and security challenges, and there are areas where both Gemini and GPT-4 could use enhancements. Yet these limitations do not diminish their potential role in the evolution of artificial intelligence. We'd love to hear your thoughts on which AI you believe holds more potential. Don't forget to leave your comments below.